guys? Fallen Shadow here. And today we're in my house. And I'm going to teach y'all how to make some fucking cereal. Let's do it. Look at it. Look at my Cuphead drawings. Look at them shits. Look at them. Alright, we're going to get past this. Alright, first of all, you need to get your milk. You know, you got to get your fridge. You know, you got to get the... Apparently we're going low fat today. Alright. So you take it over here. You know, look at my house. It's the dirtiest fuck. But first of all, you need to get a bowl. Alright, you need to get this shit. Alright. Hi, Mom. Okay. Do we have some cereal? Yes, we fucking do. Raisin Bran. Oh, shit. Stay up there, Panko. I see you. Fucking breadcrumbs. Alright. Got some Raisin Bran. Alright. Let's do this. You open the box like a fucking boss. Alright. We opened it. Now take your scissors. Hold up 1 second, gotta... Fucking hell, stare at the milk. Alright. First of all, don't pour that much fucking cereal, holy shit. Okay, just, you know, pick up all the pieces, throw that shit in the sink. Alright, you stab the fuck out of the box. That's how your cereal should look. Then you get to the milk, alright? Don't worry about the cap, you know. Just pour the milk in there. Oh, if you make a mess, don't worry. And then, right there, voila, you got yourself a nice juicy milk with some milk stains that kind of look like cum. Here we go. Then you got, oh shit, we got just right enough mouse spoons. Let's go. And then you stir it, man. You gotta, ooh, yeah, look at that. Look at that cereal. I swear, that's appetizing to me. Alright, you know what? It's been your boy, Fallen Shadow. Just taught y'all how to make some cereal. Fuck that shit. I'm out.